Hoy be, ang tagal nyo nang magjowa. Ano bang sekreto nyo?
Kung lahat at hindi
Okay, your question. What is your best asset?
Ha?
What is your best asset?
Asset, di ako naging asset, ha? Tsaka delikado.
nobody, just my body. Don't know your name, but I guess I really don't care. I probably should wait, but I wanna let you go there. I wanna try something new.
Do this.
Do not.
Do not do to others.
Do not do unto others.
Yun and then to you.
Oo.
Dapat mabilis para hindi halata.
Okay. Ano ibig sabihin?
Huwag kang mag-asawa ng kamukha ko. Kung ayaw mo magkaanak ka ng kamukha ko.